If you've struggled with understanding how to use the micrometer screw gauge to take readings, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take readings on the micrometer screw gauge using this example on the board, so that when next you are presented with a situation where you are asked to take a reading using the micrometer screw gauge, you can confidently take a correct reading. So let's get started. Now, the micrometer screw gauge is a precision instrument that can be used to take readings of objects like the diameter of a small rounded object, or maybe cardboard paper. You want to know the thickness of that cardboard paper, or basically small cylindrical objects. You can use the micrometer to take readings to a precision as much as 0.01 millimeters. Now, the micrometer screw gauge is made up of two scales, the main scale and the circular scale. The main scale is calibrated in millimeters and half of a millimeter. So what you have here on the board, beginning from this, is 0 mm, then this is 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm. Then you have other graduations underneath the main scale reading. Each of these graduations is actually 0.5 mm. So if I need a reading of 1.5 mm, I would pick the first graduated line on the main scale, and then I will look at the next graduated line underneath the main scale ahead of it. So this points to my 1.5 mm. If I need 2 mm, of course, the next one up is 2 mm. 2.5 is the next one down. So if I need 4.5 mm, I will count the fourth graduation line from 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next graduated line underneath the main scale reading is 4.5. So let's take the reading on this micrometer screw gauge. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 graduated lines in the main scale reading. So I'm going to write main scale. First, I have the 8 mm. Now, after taking the main scale reading above the datum line, that's the horizontal line in between the graduated lines, I will now check, is there any 0.5 mm mark underneath the datum line ahead of the main scale reading? I can see one here after the graduated line that points to 8 mm. I see one here. So this is 0.5. So I'm going to add 0.5 mm to that. And that will give me 8.5 mm for the main scale reading. Now let's go to the circular scale. The circular scale, like I earlier mentioned, can take measurement to a precision of 0.01 mm. So each of these lines you see represents 0.01 mm. So even though you are seeing 25 here, it's not actually 25, but it's going to be 25 multiplied by the precision of the circular scale. That would be 25 multiplied by 0.01. So if I'm taking the next line, this is going to be 26 multiplied by 0.01. This is 27, 28, 29, 30. Then multiplied by the precision of the circular scale. That is 30 multiplied by 0.01. Now, how do I read the circular scale? So let's put it down. Circular scale. So you would look at which graduated line on the circular scale aligns with the datum on the main scale. I can see the line here. So this line corresponds to the 20, let's see, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So that's the 29th number. But the scaling there is going to be the precision 0.01 multiplied by 29. And that will give me 0.29 mm. So the reading of this micrometer will now be the main scale reading plus the circular scale reading. The main scale reading plus the circular scale reading. And that will give me 8.5 mm added to 0.29 mm. And that will give me 8.79 mm. So the reading on this micrometer screw gauge is 8.79 mm. I believe with this explanation you have understood how to take readings using the micrometer screw gauge. See you in the next class. Thank you.